In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily change your display name, or the name that shows up when you are in a meeting in Zoom. So here we are on the desktop app. And what you want to do is log into your account and then click on your profile image in the upper right hand corner, and it'll bring these options down. Then you want to go to Profile and then click on My Profile. It will open a new browser tab and bring you to your settings. You will have to log in, so make sure that you log in and you'll be presented with your profile settings. At the very top here where you see your profile image and your name, click on Edit on the right hand side, and then you'll see something underneath these settings that say display name. Whatever you have here in your display name settings is going to be what your name will be shown as to others in a Zoom meeting. Another quick way of doing this is just going to the browser to begin with. Go to zoom.com, go ahead and click on your account here, and then click on your account option there, and then it'll bring up your settings, and you can do the same change here. If you're on mobile, here on my iPad, as you can see, I have the Zoom app open. You can just tap your profile image in the upper left-hand corner. It'll bring up these settings here. Go to your profile. It'll bring this up within the app itself. Go to display name like so, and then you can just go and tap into the display name settings and make the changes that you want. I'll have some frequently asked questions down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.